Welcome to this instructional video on the seamless CSS-OD 197 commissioning process. The commissioning process includes two stages. 1. CSS-OD configuration via the local interface screen. 2. SolarEdge ONE Controller for C&I configuration via the SolarEdge Go mobile app. Let's walk through the process. First, ensure CSS-OD 197 is powered on and in standby mode. Then, open the touchscreen cover and follow the intuitive wizard that will guide you through the following configuration steps. Select the battery type and inverter type, then tap Next. Select the site topology and tap Next. Now let's begin configuring the ONE battery inverter. Select the ONE battery inverter, then tap Next. Tap Confirm when the caution message appears. After the loading process is complete, select the cabinet leader ID 1, then tap Next. The system will automatically scan and detect all connected devices. If some devices are not detected automatically, you can add them manually by following the next steps. Enter the serial number found on the bottom of the battery cabinet. Select the appropriate grid code setting according to your local utility requirements. Once the branch configuration is complete, tap Finish to continue. To begin the firmware upgrade, tap on Settings. Plug in the USB device containing the firmware file. Tap Firmware Upgrade. Enter the password and tap Next. To upgrade the HMI, select CSS Local Interface HMI, then tap Select File. Tap on SDA1. During installation, all three firmware components must be upgraded. However, for the purpose of this video, we will demonstrate the upgrade process using only one firmware file. In this example, we will select the HMI. Verify that the required selection is displayed in this field, then tap OK. The required file is selected, tap Upgrade Devices. Tap Modify Defaults and enter the password to continue. Turn the DHCP toggle on, then tap Accept. The network is set. Next, let's activate the battery inverter. Tap System. Tap Control Mode, Remote, then tap Configuration. Tap on Battery Inverters to begin the inverter activation process. Before proceeding, make sure all the switches on the inverter are in the on position. Tap Modify Defaults, then enter the password to continue. Turn the battery inverter toggle on to complete the setup. Then tap Apply to All. After completing the inverter activation process, restart both the AC and DC power supplies. For detailed instructions, refer to the SolarEdge CSS-OD Battery Cabinet 197 Routine Maintenance Guide, available in the SolarEdge Knowledge Center. This section covers the inverter's configuration process. For a system with two inverters, disconnect the para cable from the left battery inverter, then tap Confirm and tap Next. Connect the para cable from the left battery inverter, then tap Confirm and tap Next. In the caution message, tap Confirm to continue loading the Battery Cabinet Manager firmware. The following process is identical to the one demonstrated at the beginning of this video and includes the following steps. Check that all devices are properly detected. Enter the battery cabinet serial number. Verify the grid code settings and tap Finish to complete the branch configuration. After completing the wizard setup, continue with the following steps: firmware upgrade, DHCP configuration, and inverter activation, as shown earlier in this video. Once all steps are completed, perform an AC and DC reset. Once done, all units will be running, but will not communicate with the rest of the PV site. To establish the on-site communication, we now finish a commissioning using the local interface screen and continue to the SolarEdge Go mobile app. SolarEdge Go is the all-in-one mobile app for installers to manage, monitor, and commission SolarEdge systems. Download SolarEdge Go from the Play Store or App Store. Enter your SolarEdge credentials. Tap Login. Tap Manage to add the ONE Controller to your existing site. Search for the site or select it from the list. Then tap Add Device and select SolarEdge ONE Controller. Don't forget to check that all preconditions are met before moving forward. Then tap Next. Scan the ONE Controller QR code. Once the ONE Controller appears, tap Connect to Device. Then tap Remote Access. You are now on the ONE Controller overview screen. Tap the settings icon for the time zone, and Network Communication Configuration. Tap Network to review the current settings and edit if required. For example, you can switch IP method from DHCP to static. Verify the time zone and edit if required, then return to the overview screen. Let's proceed to the CSS-OD configuration. Select CSS-OD and wait for it to be automatically identified. Tap Confirm to complete the configuration. The CSS-OD is successfully added. If there are multiple CSS-OD units with a battery inverter, repeat these steps for each unit. Once done, tap back to Devices. Next, let's configure a PV inverter. Ensure the inverter is set to static IP and Modbus TCP is enabled on port 1502 for the ONE controller to connect. If there are follower inverters, ensure each one has a unique ID. The PV inverter is successfully added. If there are multiple leader inverters, repeat these steps for each one. Next up, meter. Verify that the path and ID match the meter configuration. Adjust if required. Now it's time to proceed to energy management and define the required settings. Tap the plus icon to see the available energy management functions. In this video, we'll add the Maximize Self-Consumption function. To do so, tap Maximize Self-Consumption and then tap Save. Next, let's set the grid export and import limits. Tap Edit Energy Manage Settings, enter the required values and tap Save. Complete the setup by turning the energy management toggle on. Return to the ONE Controller overview screen once you're done with energy management settings. Once all devices are successfully added to the ONE Controller, the entire setup, including the CSS-OD, is ready to operate. Click Close to exit the ONE Controller overview screen. Commissioning of the CSS-OD is now officially complete. For more information on the SolarEdge CSS-OD and SolarEdge ONE Controller, visit our Edge Academy and YouTube channel.